everybody. I am on the Oaxaca coast in Mexico. Whenever I travel, I love to cook. Of course, I enjoy the Mexican food at the restaurant, but I bring the Korean cooking ingredients like Korean hot pepper flakes, soy sauce, sesame oil. So I just cook. The other day, I bought Spanish mackerel from the fishermen directly from the boat. Then they cleaned this. I brought home and then froze this. And today, I feel like having some lunchbox. I'm going to make some Korean doshira, and I like to eat near the beach. And I want to show you, all of you guys that just feel the same way as I do. Today's recipe is Samchi-yangnyeom-gui, pan-fried, seasoned Spanish mackerel. I used to make this side dish for my children's lunchbox. So good, so easy. So let's go inside the kitchen and then I'm showing you how to make. Later, I'll make a lunchbox and let's go and eat together. Just imagine you are sharing my lunchbox together. Spanish mackerel, all filleted. This is sashimi grade. This one piece is that just for today's recipe. It's 8 ounce. Exactly 8 ounce I throw out in the refrigerator. So these guys I'm going to put it back. And then just I can eat it raw fish, very, very fresh. There is no bone, no skin, like this size, around 2.5 inches. Eight-ounce of Spanish mackerel, all filleted, there is no bone, no skin. And then I'm going to make sauce, soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. I bought this from the local grocery store. Medium, 2 tablespoons. Then garlic. 1 garlic cloves and some ginger, around half teaspoon amount. Ginger is very important. I never skip this ginger whenever I make this side dish. Pinch of ground black pepper and mix. And then add this fish and mix together. Well marinated. Just turn over. Look at that, looks already delicious. And smells like a gingery kind of smell. Just all-purpose flour. Or you can use cornstarch or starch. Just I'm using flour. Just let's coat. This sauce, never throw away. We are going to use later. Heat my pan, add some around 1/4 cup cooking oil. Pan fry a couple of minutes until the bottom side is golden brown and crunchy. So another 2 or 3 minutes until both sides are crunchy and golden brown. It looks great, isn't it? But we need to add some seasoning here. Make it a little saltier so that it goes well with rice. I'm going to discard this excess oil. You see, can you hear that? And the sauce, leftover sauce. Just this is rice syrup. You guys can use sugar, or even if you don't want, just don't use. Skip it, sweetness. But I add some little bit so that more delicious and kind of a little shiny. So turn up the heat and make this sauce is bubbling. So easy. Okay, time to coat. I make this way, and then this fishy, never fishy kind of a smell, and also children love this. The lunchbox menu, this is really great. Okay, turn off. Just a little bit sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. Look at that, gorgeous. Some chopped green onion, sesame seeds. Let's wrap lunchbox. This is the way that I always make a lunchbox. We need rice and fish. Look at that. And some spinach. Mexican spinach is so delicious. And this is, I made with a cabbage, kind of pickle. And 1 egg. Here you go, lunchbox. I'm just sitting here. I want to show you around near me, and that's why I came here to eat this my lunchbox. Oh my! You can't find this kind of lunchbox in anywhere around here. Let's taste. Where is my rice? Here you go. It tastes sweet, salty, and kind of a texture is a kind of chewy texture, like a little flaky. It's amazing. It's a cabbage salad. Let's have some egg. I love this egg. Dipping in egg. I love it. No more glass. It looks like no calorie, so maybe it's sugarless. Maybe they must have used artificial sweetener because I know that the taste. I'm going to keep eating this and enjoying my lunch at the beach. This beach, I think I'm the first person who made a Korean lunchbox here eating. This is my travel cooking, and I showed you how to make Samchi-yangnyeom-gui, pan-fried seasoned Spanish mackerel. So make it and let me know how you like it, okay? Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.